Welcome to my report in Fundamentals of Deformable Bodies for Helical Spring. A deformable body is an object that changes shape when a force is applied. Unlike rigid bodies, it can stretch, compress, or twist. A helical spring is a common example because it deforms under force and returns to its original shape. A mechanical device made of wire, typically steel, coiled into a helix shape to store energy, absorb shock, or maintain force between surfaces. Deformation in springs. When force is applied, a spring undergoes deformation, such as compression, tension, and torsion. The shortening, stretching, and twisting of the spring. Two important concepts: the stress and strain. The stress is the internal force in the material, and the strain is the amount of deformation. Springs operate within the elastic limit, meaning they return to their original shape after the force is removed. Hooke's law. The behavior of springs follows Hooke's law, that the strain or deformation of the elastic material is directly proportional to the applied stress, the force within its elastic limit. The formula of Hooke's law is F is equal to Kx. F is the applied force, K is the spring constant, and X is the deformation. Next is the energy stored in a spring, or elastic potential energy. Is the energy stored as a result of deforming an elastic object, compressing, or stretching. A spring stores energy when deformed, so the formula is U is equal to 1/2 kx squared. So U is the elastic potential energy, K is the spring constant, and X is the deformation. More deformation means more stored energy. Applications. So helical springs are used in car suspensions to absorb shocks, machines to control motion, and household items like pens and mattresses. Springs are important because they allow controlled deformation. Importance in engineering. Studying deformable bodies helps engineers to design safe systems, prevent failure, and understand material behavior. Helical springs show how deformation can be useful and predictable. So we know that helical springs are a practical example of deformable bodies. They demonstrate how materials deform, store energy, and return to shape, making them essential in engineering and daily life. You want problems? I will give you two problems to practice. So here is the problem. A helical spring has a spring constant of 200 Newton per meter. So if the spring is compressed by 0.1 meter, find the force applied and the energy stored. And try to answer this. So ang problem, ang gipangita niya kay pila ang applied force ug ang iyang U stored energy. So ang given one kay ang spring constant kay 200 Newton per meter. Dayon ang iyang deformation compress man siya, so x is equal to 0.1 meter. So unsa man itong buhaton? Pangitawon tag unang giingon man, pangitawon unang applied force. So unsay formula sa itong Hooke's law, force equals K din X. So sa may K na to 200 times sa iyang deformation 0.1. So sa makuha 200 Newton. Unsay sa force? Newton. Next, ipangitaon na to ang stored energy niya using energy formula. So U equals 1/2 kx squared. So na naman tayo mga given. K kay pila? 200. Dayon ang x kay 0.1. Then squared. So calculate. So nigawas 1. Ang sa unit sa energy joule. So nakuha nato ang iyang force ug ang iyang stored energy. This is the second problem. A vertical helical spring with a spring constant of 500 Newton per meter is fixed to the ceiling. A 5 kilogram mass is slowly attached to the spring and allowed to reach equilibrium. Number 1. Find the extension of the spring, the force applied on the spring, and the elastic potential stored in the spring. So the gravity is 9.81. So ang gipangita sa problem kay ang iyang extension of the spring og ang force applied, then ang iyang elastic potential stored in the spring. So to stored energy. So ang given niya, duha ra. Ang iyang spring constant nga 500 Newton per meter ug ang iyang mass nga 5 kg, kilogram. Di pa ta pangita sa extension of the spring yung x kay wa matay force, so nahon tong force ug pangita. Unsay formula sa force? F is equal to mg. So natay mass nga 5 kg ug atong gravity nga gamiton giingon nga 9.81 meter per second squared nga 9.81 gravity niya. So atong i-calculate unsay magawas 49.05 Newton force man. Then mana natay force adto na ta sa yang extension of the spring, magamit ang Hooke's law. So unsa may formula gani ato? F is equal to kx. Then naman tay force. So nanatay ani F over k. So tay force na to. Naman toy 49.05 Newton. Then unsa pila yang spring constant kani? So 500. So palagalkyo equals to 0.0981. Extension man siya, pila sa unit niya? Meter. Next, pagitaon ang stored energy. Nakuha naman nato ang iyang spring extension rito sa potential niya stored in the spring. So, unsa may formula ato? U equals to 1/2 kx squared. So, 1/2 sa may k na to 500 times unsay x 0.981 squared. Kalkyo. Ang gawas niya kay 2.406. Sa unit sa energy, joules. So kita na to yang stored energy. And that's all. Thank you.